Hi everyone, my name is Matt Gipson. I'm the general manager for Astoria Travel Trailers and Fifth Wheels at Dutchman RV. We're here standing inside today a 3173 RLP. It's our flagship floor plan of the Platinum series in our Astoria fifth wheel line. And I'm here today just to show you kind of the ins and outs of what makes this floor plan and the Astoria brand so great. We're going to start by going through some of the kitchen features in this 3173 RLP, which is our mainstay of the Platinum series and the Astoria fifth wheel line. In the kitchen area, one thing that you'll find, and really a big item that kind of jumps out to all of our consumers, is the nice upgraded backsplash, the solid surface countertop with the LED lit edging. You've got a fully stocked bar, so to speak, of kitchen cabinetry and drawers. You've got a ton of ample space. As far as your pantry goes, and lots of overhead cabinetry. And then one thing you'll notice, and really a big upgrade in this Astoria fifth wheel lineup, is all of our hidden hinges instead of the regular exposed hinges. This gives it a more cleaner look. And then just some little convenience features. We've got a nice little pop-up recep here. It's going to sport 2 outlets and 2 USB ports to charge a phone. You can plug in a Keurig coffee maker or a rice pot or anything else. With this Astoria Platinum series, the one thing we really wanted to focus on was not just the look of the coach, but also the functionality and a lot of the good features. So you've got an upgraded 12 cube to 2A refrigerator, and it says it's a nice 4-door, so you've got plenty of ample space in here. Moving on to the island, one of probably the 2 biggest items, not just in the island or the kitchen area, but the entire coach itself, is going to be the nice single basin, farm style sink with a nice stainless steel front apron. And you've got 2 trash cans in this drawer glides. Another feature that customers really are starting to like and enjoy is this removable and kind of adjustable sink cover. So you can really use it to wash fruit and vegetables, dry dishware, utensils. You can also kind of leave the other half open and exposed to the sink. So to kind of touch upon storage, because that's obviously in RVs and especially fifth wheels, storage is a huge track word. You've got a nice big floor-to-ceiling pantry with removable drawers. Into the entertainment center, we have a lot of great features here. You've got a really big oversized theater seating, fully adjustable recliners. You've got 4 different style cup holders. You've got 2 here for a can or a bottle. And one thing we like pointing out on the edges, on the edge here, room for a Yeti cup. In the entertainment center, you've got the nice soundbar speakers. It's a DVD, CD player, Bluetooth ready, a 40-inch fireplace with a 5,000 BTU heater in it, and a 50-inch television. All that comes standard with Astoria fifth wheels. Moving along from the entertainment center, I wanted to point out all of our cabinetry. So for overhead cabinets above the sofa, or the cabinets above the pantry, or any drawers that you'll see within this coach, whether it's the kitchen, the bedroom, or the bathroom, everything's going to be a hard maple door instead of a cheaper MDF door that a lot of brands will use to save some money. So not only do we want to bring to the market a very well-built coach and a very luxurious coach that just looks great, but we want to make sure we use a lot of good materials that are going to last long-term. To touch up on that, so this is a true hardwood maple door. We also have true hardwood maple slide-out fascia. So you've got a nice LED lit fascia when all the lights are off. This, along with the LED lit countertop, actually provides kind of a cool night light if you wanted to sit down and watch a movie. You got the fireplace. So it's a lot of cool ambiance lighting. There's a lot of great features within this Astoria fifth wheel, not just in the entertainment center or the kitchen area where so many customers have found to like this Astoria brand, but one of the biggest things that really customers have finding as far as from a functionality standpoint is the dual vanity bathrooms that we have in all of our Astoria Platinum series. You've got the nice dual mirrors, the dual sinks, plenty of ample storage with the drawers, 4 doors here underneath the sinks. We've got a nice little linen closet here to kind of store some towels and some other materials. Porcelain toilet, a 50-inch shower with a nice seat, and you've also got the glass enclosure here. And we've also added a window just for extra venting and to bring in some extra daylight. Of course, everybody loves a large bedroom with ample storage, and that's one thing we want to make sure that we put a lot of focus on that. So in this 3173, it comes standard with a nice full headboard. You've got LED lit slide out fascia, which is, of course, is hardwood maple, just like the rest of the coach. You've got the 2 windows on the side to bring in some extra venting or some extra daylight. It'll come standard with a second roof mount air into the bedroom. And especially for those folks that are in the warmer climates, we actually have a racetrack style or an H-style AC system. So the AC system is actually controlled through both air conditioners. So you've got 2 air conditioners running through your entire AC system. Most brands just use this as a direct dump, so it actually takes away a lot of the airflow through the rest of the coach. You've got a nice little TV cabinet here with some drawers. Everything's going to be mounted and ready to go for a television. All of our Platinum Series models will come standard with removable shelves, along with washer dryer prep. So if you want a washer dryer, that's where that would go. We've got some additional storage here over the top. And of course, like anybody would want in a bed slide model, you've got a massive front wardrobe. And of course, the storage does not stop there. Underneath every bed, we've added these nice gas struts. That way, if you've got any large items, you can use both hands to pick up anything underneath the bed. That way, you don't have to leave one hand to support the bed up. So everything's going to be supported on these 2 gas struts. Tons of storage underneath that bed. Thanks again for watching this short tutorial on Astoria. If you have any other questions, please visit DutchmanRV.com and visit the Astoria tab. My name is Matt Gipson, and thanks again.